My name is Dr. Faith Matiza Ruzengwe. I'm a postdoc at the University of the Free State, but originally from Zimbabwe. In Zimbabwe, I've had the opportunity to work with a number of communities, especially the rural communities. And one thing I've realized is if as Africa we are to come food secure, we need to have the opportunities to communicate, to transfer information from one community to another, to transfer what is written in different researches and publications to what the communities can easily use. However, for me, this has been a challenge until I get the opportunity to work with Access Agriculture. And I thank RUFORUM and Access Agriculture for this opportunity to have had participated in this workshop and training, where I have had the opportunity to simplify my research text or my technical writings into simplified writings, into simplified blogs, into simplified videos that the communities can then use to upgrade their skills. At the same time, it's also an opportunity for me to take the information from one community to another, because one thing we need to know, we have a lot of these IKSs, the integrated knowledge systems, where we have so many knowledges within the rural communities. But however, how then can we take it into an urban setup? How then can we get the next community to learn about what is being done there? So with the use of these videos and from the trainings I have had, I'm sure I'll be able to make those transformations to also use that information in different setups. So I thank Access Agriculture for such an opportunity.